What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and you join me today for another rather impromptu video. I'm at this industrial estate in Bradford. I'm with Nick and Luke, JCCars Yorkshire. Got my Mini Cooper S behind me and also Luke's S1. Now Luke has just had his S1 remapped. He's had a custom map on it. It's running 306 horsepower and I think, how much torque has it got?
It's now got 306 brake horsepower.
No, but how much torque?
20 less than an RS3. Yeah.
Well, it's got 20 less torque than an RS3, it's got more torque than an S3. But yeah, I've heard that it's rapid, so Luke's going to take us out in the car, get an experience for it. I've been in it a few times when it's standard, but I've not actually filmed with it. Although I have actually been in another S1 before, when it was fairly standard. But yeah, Luke's car's got the map now, and it's also got the resonator delete, so yeah, we'll go for a little bit of a ride in it and see how it is. So yeah, we'll go for a quick blast in the S1. It's 340 foot-pound of torque, which is apparently only 20 less than an RS3, in a smaller car as well. Yeah, it does look good, looks good in the Sepang blue. Sounds good as well. So yeah, let's go for a ride.
Hello there.
Hello.
Hello there. Best put your seatbelt on.
Yeah.
I'll launch it nice, but because the clutch might...
Yeah. Oh yeah, I should mention this is still on the standard clutch for now. Jesus! Wow. Yeah, that is fast.
It's very, very loud.
It is.
When you went round there, I could still hear you. It's like, nice.
It's too quick.
It's too.
It's
Say, when we did
mental.
that launch. I did it.
So now it's Nick's turn to go for a ride. I'll get a clip of it from the outside. That is properly quick. So yeah, as you'll have just seen, I've just been out for a quick blast in the S1. You might even still be able to hear it now, that thing is so loud. But yeah, it's a bit of an impromptu video today, kind of a bit last minute, as a lot of the videos that I've been doing have been recently. Yeah, I've got my Mini here as well. Yeah, I've not really done much coverage on this car on the channel, which I can only apologise for. I would have liked to have filmed more with it. Was hoping to do a sort of review of it. Might be doing a head-to-head review of this versus the S1 today, or maybe at a later date, I'm not too sure. But there's a few videos I'd like to film with. He's back. There is a few videos that I'd like to film with this. I'd like to sort of get some exhaust clips with it. And sort of like a POV drive. Might actually get some exhaust clips of the Mini today, and I might try and get some of the S1 as well if I stick the GoPros on the cars. Yeah, we'll see. Bit of a behind the scenes, we've got Luke back there doing a few sweeping shots of the S1. Nick's also been helping out with the filming with some of the shots. Hey. Nearly fell over. Yeah. We've got my car set up as well, the boot's open. I've got to clear all the stuff out of the boot, because what we're going to be doing is, I'm going to be driving the Mini first off, Nick's going to be in the boot, getting some rolling shots of the S1, and then we'll do vice versa, getting some shots of my car from the S1. Had to clear all my boot.
We don't know if we're going to fit in here.
Well, yeah. I just fit in, so... Another thing which I've not actually pointed out, I've actually got blue calipers now, in laser blue, to match the body of the car. this is the first time that I've mentioned this in a video, and I've had them, well, it's been like this for like 2 months now. I haven't done just at the end of August. Looks really nice, I think. What the fuck is he doing? That was a terrible panning shot. So he's come a little bit further down because apparently that was too far away. This is the efforts that go into filming these videos, it's just absurd.
This is why you should like and subscribe to JCCars, of course.
And yes. And this is just filming with the S1, we've not even got on to filming my car yet. Jesus.
It's gonna be dark.
Yeah, probably. So yeah, as you can see behind me, we've come to McDonald's, quick little food stop. But yeah, it's been a good day messing about with the S1 with its new remap and the Mini Cooper S. I had to fill up the cars as well on the way here, obviously. But yeah, got some good flyby clips. Not actually done the review, we're going to leave that for another day, but yeah, that should be good. But yeah, hopefully today's footage has been good. I don't really know what to expect from the video, but hopefully it'll make for a decent enough video. And I don't know if I'll be filming anything else after this, so yeah, I think I'll round off the video at that. And yeah, hope that you've enjoyed the video, and be sure to stay tuned for more. Be sure to stay tuned for more and leave a like, and if you've not subscribed, would really appreciate it. But yeah, thanks for watching, peace out. What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Thanks mate. Oh, for fuck's sake. So yeah, as you can see, we've come to a McDonald's quick lunch stop, filled up the cars because yeah, that used a lot of fuel. Can't.